let's take a look at the capabilities and benefits of the fast Fourier transform, or FFT, a standard feature on our next generation Infiniium EXR, MXR, and UXR series oscilloscopes. To learn what an FFT is and does, check out the Scopes University class linked in the description. FFTs let you quickly and easily view the frequency contents of your signal. With Infiniium, they're a special type of math function and can be turned on under Math, New FFT. I'll go ahead and select Channel 1. A new plot appears with different scales and controls, more like a spectrum analyzer. The vertical scale is controlled on top with a scale and reference level. Horizontal controls are located at the bottom. Here we have a 1 kHz square wave with some sort of noise on it, so let's change our stop frequency to 100 kHz and take a look. We can see the 1 kHz fundamental on screen with all of the subsequent harmonics, and we also see our outlier signal over to the right. We can use the built-in markers to identify the outlier's frequency and power, or use the automatic peak detection feature by selecting Mark Peaks. The default setting is to identify the 5 most powerful peaks, and we can see our outlier in the list. We can adjust the definitions of a peak and the number of peaks to identify in the FFT settings. In the settings dialog, we can also adjust other features like the window, detector type, scales, and more. Note that we can also add additional math functions on top of the FFT, up to 16 in total, to plot things like the FFT's average, maximum, or minimum. There's also a wide variety of automatic measurements that can be ran on the FFT waveform, such as channel power or occupied bandwidth. For a full tutorial of the FFT interface, reference the link in the description. Finally, make sure to check out the rest of the series highlighting the new capabilities in our next generation platforms, linked in the description below.